London's skyline is defined by the Elizabeth Tower, often called Big Ben, though that's really the bell inside. Its chimes echo worldwide, and its image graces postcards everywhere. The tower's true name honors Queen Elizabeth II, standing as a monument to tradition and endurance. For over 160 years, it's witnessed coronations, wars, and celebrations, a living piece of history. So, our journey begins at the foot of this iconic structure. Let's ascend into history. The adventure starts with a climb, 334 stone steps spiraling up the 96-meter tower. There's no lift. Each step takes you further from the city's bustle and deeper into a world of gears and history. The first major stop, the clock mechanism room, where iron gears and levers quietly drive the hands and chimes. Above, 5 bells hang, 4 quarter bells and the colossal Big Ben, marking time for a city always in motion. At the top, surrounded by bells and sky, you understand why this place is so revered. The journey has only just begun. The Elizabeth Tower's 4 clock faces are engineering marvels. Each dial spans 7 meters, crafted from 324 pieces of opalescent glass in an iron framework. This mosaic design allows for easy maintenance. Broken glass can be replaced individually. The hands are massive. The hour hand is 2.7 meters, the minute hand 4.2 meters, made from lightweight gunmetal for precision. Each year, the minute hands travel the distance from London to Birmingham. Keeping the faces clean is a challenge. Specialists abseil down to clean every glass piece by hand. At night, energy-efficient LEDs softly illuminate the dials, a tradition dating back over 160 years. Above, the Ayrton light shines when Parliament sits after dark, a beacon of democracy. The clock faces are more than timekeepers. They're symbols of craftsmanship and care. Their glow is a constant in London's ever-changing skyline. Every detail reflects Victorian ingenuity and modern dedication. The tower's design is both practical and beautiful, built to endure. Its faces are watched by millions, day and night. The Elizabeth Tower's clock is a masterpiece, visible proof of the city's heartbeat. It's a blend of art, science, and tradition, and it continues to shine, guiding Londoners through the night. Deep within the tower, the Great Clock mechanism powers everything. Designed by Edmund Beckett Denison, it's a triumph of Victorian horology. Gravity-driven weights provide energy, wound up by hand 3 times a week. The mechanism has 3 systems: the going train for timekeeping, the chiming train for the quarter bells, and the striking train for Big Ben. Each works independently, yet in perfect harmony. The double 3-legged gravity escapement, Denison's innovation, keeps the pendulum steady, unaffected by wind or weather. This ensures remarkable accuracy, even after more than 150 years. The clock rarely stops. Even during the Blitz, its chimes rang out as a symbol of resilience. The parts are robust, designed for easy maintenance by generations of clock keepers. Their expertise keeps the mechanism running smoothly year after year. The Great Clock is more than machinery. It's the tower's beating heart. Its reliability is legendary, its design both simple and ingenious. Every tick is a testament to Victorian engineering. The keepers are its guardians, preserving a legacy of precision. The mechanism's steady rhythm is London's own, and it continues undaunted into the future. The clock's accuracy depends on its 4-meter pendulum, swinging every 2 seconds. Housed in a special box, it's shielded from drafts and temperature changes. Tiny adjustments are made using old 1-penny coins placed on a ledge. Adding a penny makes the pendulum swing faster. Removing one slows it down. Each coin changes the clock's speed by fractions of a second per day. Clock keepers compare the time to atomic clocks, using pennies for fine-tuning. This simple, low-tech method has worked since the clock's beginning. It's a tradition linking today's keepers to their Victorian predecessors. No electronics, just skill, patience, and a handful of coins. The dance of the pendulum, regulated by pennies, is the secret to Big Ben's legendary precision. It's a quiet ritual, hidden from view, but vital to the tower's reputation. Victorian ingenuity at its best, practical, effective, and enduring. The pennies keep the past alive, one tick at a time. In the belfry, 5 bells give the tower its voice. 4 quarter bells play the Westminster chimes, but the star is Big Ben, the Great Bell. Weighing 13.7 tons, it strikes the hour with a sound felt across London. The bell's story is dramatic. The first cracked during testing. The second, today's bell, cracked after installation. For 3 years, the hour was struck on a smaller bell. The solution? Rotate the bell, use a lighter hammer, and drill a hole to stop the crack spreading. This repair gave Big Ben its unique, slightly imperfect tone, a sound now famous worldwide. The crack is a scar, a symbol of resilience and character. The name Big Ben likely honors Sir Benjamin Hall, whose name is inscribed on the bell. Standing beside it, you feel its immense scale and power. When it rings, the sound is not just heard, it's felt. The vibrations travel through the tower and your body. It's an unforgettable experience, connecting you to generations past. The bells are more than instruments, they're storytellers. Each chime is a reminder of survival and triumph. The belfry is where history and sound become one. Big Ben's voice is London's own, and its story continues with every strike. The Westminster chimes are among the world's most recognizable melodies. Played by the 4 quarter bells every 15 minutes, each sequence marks the passing of time. The tune, based on Handel and arranged by William Crotch, is uplifting and instantly familiar. The bells are tuned to G sharp, F sharp, E and B, creating a harmonious soundscape. The chime's mechanism is purely mechanical, a giant music box of gears and levers. Pins on a rotating barrel lift levers, which trigger hammers to strike the bells. No electronics, just Victorian engineering at its finest. The melody has been copied by clocks worldwide, but its true home is here. The chimes connect Londoners to tradition, marking moments big and small. Their sound is reassurance, hope, and continuity. For over 160 years, they've echoed through the city, heard by all. The Westminster chimes are London's soundtrack. They unite past and present with every note, and their music endures, timeless and true. For over a century, the Great Clock ran as its Victorian makers intended, hand-wound, penny-regulated, and lovingly maintained. But after 157 years, the tower needed restoration. In 2017, the most extensive conservation in its history began. The chimes fell silent, scaffolding rose, and expert craftspeople set to work. Every part of the mechanism was dismantled, cleaned, and repaired. The clock faces were restored and new energy-efficient lights installed. A lift was added for maintenance, blending modern needs with historic preservation. Yet, the heart of the clock remains mechanical, not digital. The restoration preserved its Victorian character while ensuring its future. The gravity-driven mechanism, unique escapement, and penny system all endure. The tower is now ready for another 160 years, old and new in perfect harmony. It's a bridge between eras, a living symbol of continuity. The Elizabeth Tower's pulse is stronger than ever. In a digital age, the Elizabeth Tower still commands awe. Its steady ticking and chimes offer a slower, enduring sense of time. The tower is a monument to craftsmanship, built to last when so much is disposable. Its mechanism is both art and science, a testament to patience and skill. Big Ben's chimes have marked moments of hope and defiance, especially during wartime. The tower stands as a symbol of stability in a changing world. Its glow and voice connect us to the past and inspire confidence in the future. More than a clock, it's a national symbol and a masterpiece of engineering. The Elizabeth Tower represents the enduring power of a brilliant idea. In chaos, its steady beat brings clarity and order. It's a reminder that some things are built to endure. The tower's story is London's story, timeless, resilient, and ever-present. As long as it stands, it will remind us of the steady passage of time. The Elizabeth Tower, a symbol for all ages.